Hi viewers, good morning one and all. Hope you are all doing good. Uh, I'm Shubha Galavilli. Let me tell you about the today's topic. It's like how to influence others with your speaking skills. This is like a common problem to anyone. If you want to make any interaction with the people, definitely you will hope for influencing or to impress others. Before influencing, you need to know how to impress with your words, with your ideas, in talking to them. Okay, everybody can speak with anyone. Nowadays we are in social media, and we do have many communication channels. Okay, easily connect with the people whether they know us or may not know us, but talking with a great sense to make interesting is an important thing, right? Maybe if it is for a regular base or for a common interactions, is even though it is important, not that much, but it is more important to some kind of uh, professional people like marketing analysts and HR strategists and even business developers, etc. For them, it is like one of the trait having with an innate skills for them. But everybody cannot learn everything by the birth. Definitely, we can understand by watching any pictures or videos or any kind of reading books. So with that also we can improve our life skills. So that's what I'm telling you from the beginning onwards. Please make a habituate of reading books, right? We had many good authors like Dale Khan, and even if you like to study the Indian authors, Chetan Bhagat. They're very influencing people. Like if you want to read your local language books in Telugu, like Pattabhiram, or there are so many people, and I can suggest one more author for you. I think you know her very well. Women author Malleshwari Madam. I know her very well personally also, and I'm very, like lucky to have her as my ex-colleague. She's very daring and dashing lady, and you can read her books also. Okay, Malleshwari. So her pen name is Jajmalli. So please habituate of reading books. Definitely, we can understand how to impress the people with words. Okay, let's start it. Initially, I'm telling you here the professional way of making influencing with your words others in a systematic and a chronological manner. So first point for this is you must understand what others want. Okay, point number one is what others want. Everybody is interested in talking if really the topic is nice for them. When we get interest on the topic, some people may speak for hours, but the others may feel like it's as a bore, even though it is useful, but the way they convey is somewhat little bit boring. Okay, definitely you understand what others want. That is very very important. So before if you want to interact with any important persons, make some kind of groundwork by knowing about their what are their interests and what they are looking for, and what they are hmm, doing in their favorite pastimes and all. So these things you need to know well, right? So this is very important. So you can impress others when you speak what they are interested with. Take for example, if you talk with a student, because I like to be interactive with my most of my students. What students want? They want fun, entertainment, little bit knowledge, right? So because they in their age they'll give less priority for this kind of knowledge, okay, career steps, etc., etc. Student is a continuous learning person. Anybody is a learning person, but in a student stage is a it's a process to be continuous and compulsion for them. But in the meanwhile, never talk to him or her only just about studies, knowledge, and all. So we can impress them by talking about some entertainment, make some jokes and fun in the middle. Definitely, in many of my any of my regular classes, in 50 minutes of time, definitely I improve some kind of funny techniques, right? funny tips or funny interactions or funny stories in the middle when start my sessions. So this is very very important. If like that, if you go to any senior citizens, what they want is about your achievements, what you all did and what you all did good to the people, and in the meanwhile how far good with your family, what is your lifestyle. So they want the thing should be systematic and traditional. So like that, whatever the people you are interacting, you should be know that what they are interested. So that is the first thing. And second thing is always warm and friendly. That it's like what we can say, it's like a vitamin C or a vitamin D. So it's a compulsory to any kind of interaction. Be friendly, and in the meanwhile, especially in the professional discussions, you should maintain the professionality, and in the meanwhile make others to be comfort with you. That is very important. Being friendly doesn't mean that don't let them keep a shoulder on your back, hand on your shoulder, but thing is be friendly with them to make them more comfort to interact with you freely in discussing with their problems, challenges of their company, and what are their definitely it will be helpful for the business developers nowadays. While they are analyzing the business, definitely they need to know the pros and cons of the pros and cons of the people, right? So pros and cons of the other people whom they are talking with, and in the meanwhile the challenges what they have with their business initiation steps. So all these should be interacted in a opposite way, on two ways. It's like a two-way communication cannot be get successful. So that is the reason why I'm adding the important point in the middle. Please make more comments. Okay, if you like it or dislike it, whatever it may be, I want more number of comments from you people. Viewers, please, it's my sincere request. Every video I'm telling this, people are still hesitating to give me the comments. I don't know why. Please make more comments for me. Then only I can understand where I can improve and where I can start new videos. Okay, thank you so much. And third thing is always have a ice breakers. Means when we are interacting, give the chance to others to speak. So this is where we make more some kind of mistakes. We definitely keep on talking. If your communication is too good, what's the benefit for the other people? Even you can develop yourself. But here important thing is please give a chance. So that is also a part of good communication and interaction. So please give a chance to the other people who they are talking. Some people are introverts, they talk less. For them, you have to give them a chance by giving an initiation, like you may say like that. If you are interacting in the present days, you can say like the lockdown effect is very much now, it's very high, it's too difficult actually, I'm not understanding what to do. If you say, not even that is also, the lockdown effect is too high nowadays, if you give this statement, the others definitely start speaking the problems and their effects they have in the during the time of lockdown. So like this is a simple technique to make the people to talk. Okay, this is very very important thing, friends. Yes, next. And the other important point is, please make a note of this point, it's like a cold reading. What is this cold reading? Cold reading is reading others' mind. What is there inside, everything, every word or every sentence what they make outside is very easy to understand, but that sentence can be really the same what they are thinking in their mind. So this is what very important task. You may you may talk with the people with some kind of intention in your mind. The other people will do the same. So definitely they have their own intentions in their minds. So this is very important to the effective speaker to understand what the other people are there thinking in the mind. For this, I can give a good example, and before saying that, I'm absolutely saying one sincere request. I'm not against to any professional astrologers or the persons who are equal to gods. I believe in God. In the meanwhile, if they believe in God, if they do something, some predictions about others people, so it's they are also equal to gods. So I'm not against to them, and I'm not even criticizing them too, but just I want to pose an example on this. So thank you so much, please understand me. Okay, so astrologers definitely do like, they'll read the people, this kind of cold reading. Cold reading is they'll ask like, సారీ, ఐల్ మేక్ అన్ ఇంట్రాక్షన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫర్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్. ఏమండి, మీరు కొంచెం ఈ మధ్యన కష్టాలు పడుతున్నట్టున్నారు కదా. సో పాపం అంతగా మీకు అంత అనిపించట్లేదు, బాగుంది అనిపించట్లేదు, నిజమే కదా. సో ఇఫ్ దే యూస్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్, వాట్ యూ విల్ సే? Automatically you will get the remembrance of all troubles you have in home. Normally you may not feel it, but if the person, the person who is having some divine power in their mind, if they think so, definitely you will be open up with what your actual problem is. So with that they can come to know some facts about you. So this is the way of cold reading. Okay, like this, any kind of professor, see, some people may definitely understand what others are thinking means it's some kind of process of let the information coming outside with your words itself. Okay, right. Next, always spark curiosity. So if I'm talking like boring face like this, okay, today I'm telling to you people to influence others. If I talk like this, who will listen to me? Definitely not. Even all people never interested with me and they won't even listen my classes, I know very well. But still, so I should be pleasant, okay, while talking, to bring you some kind of curiosity in you. So definitely there is one content in the video. So when you are interacting with your people, which is important for your career or your job or business, how important you have to talk with them. This is only just a general discussion, but that is somewhat different. Definitely you need to win in the interaction. For that you need to take some more interesting steps, some kind of groundwork or research you need to make for this, so that create some kind of curiosity in their mind in your approach. So curiosity can be coming from how much genuine you are, so that you must be more authentic also. This is another important point. Authentic is your honesty brings them interest in you. If you tell any fake news or fake, if you are thinking something in your mind but you are talking something not as your cup of tea, so that definitely kills your conversation. So be honest and talk with sincerity and confidence. Okay, next friends, and here I'm doing this type of interactions just because of this particular point, that is make conversation with ourselves. Definitely every individual, if they go to attend for an exam like Viva Voice, any kind of talking sessions, definitely for writing exam also you'll prepare for that, right? What? Because you are writing there, you are making some kind of practice of writing skills, and even make a note of synopsis, important points, and then you will read it again and again to have a remembrance. In the same way, here also, if you want to interact with any kind of people, what you have to do is you should communicate with yourself. So this is important step and primary step to you people, guys. So please note how you are speaking with others. You can understand your body language, and even you can understand your linguistic mistakes. Okay, and in the meanwhile, some people may talk but not in a proper manner. So how sequentially, see, if anybody calls you, if they want to talk something, to ask for a help, how you will start a conversation? Being a good communicator, you will say like, even though it's not I'm talking that it's not like don't be dishonest, but thing is definitely you will start like this. Now hello yeah, how are you? I'm Shubha here, I'm talking to you. It's a long time back I called you. So just I want to know how you people are doing, good or not. So what's going on? How is your life? Like this. After that only I'll tell what I really want. So this is how you will prepare for yourself what to speak first. So definitely this kind of conversations will make you more effective and healthy, right? Like this, you need to communicate with yourself what